Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. In this video I'm going to introduce an app. It's called Kmate Chat with Global. So basically this is a communication app or a dating app. You will find many friends here or your inspired people here. So you can see the rating of the 4.1 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is amazing. And 9k reviews. Okay, it means 9,000 people write something about this app, and 15 megabyte size of the app, and 500 thousands plus people already download this app or use this app. So if you see here, then you can see, you can check their profile. Chinese, Japanese, Korean people, it's available here, and you will chat with them, suggestion, and also global friend, share daily lives. So you can also share your story, share your feelings, you can chat with your friend. So many facility here. And if you really want to learn more about this app, then go to about this app, and you'll see here there are some things. 140 countries available this application. The app is released 2018. And if you really want to learn more about this thing, then go to here, ratings and reviews, and you'll find all the reviews and ratings what people actually think about this app. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.